Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to replace Word in OXML. Drag and drop OXML Word replace action from activities. Drag and drop message box action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set input Word file property of OXML Word replace action. Set pattern property of OXML Word replace action. Set replacement property of OXML Word replace action. Set text property of message box action to point to replacement property from the OXML Word replace. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.